really frustrated with the outdoor pillow options available, so I've kind of decided to venture out and create my own way to create your outdoor pillows with indoor pillows. That is what you're looking at right here. This is actually an indoor pillow that I've converted to an outdoor pillow by putting like a polyester insert inside of it. This came with a feather insert for the pillow. You can unzip it here and see that it's super easy to take off and just put a replacement in. I got this for $4 at a local salvage store that has them regularly in stock. And so it's a really inexpensive way to turn a cushion like this into an outdoor one. Now, I will say that the one drawback is I will only use this type of fabric that's considered to be an indoor fabric under an outdoor space that has a cover on it and is not exposed to really direct light. The biggest drawback is that if they get direct sunlight, they're gonna fade pretty easily, but you definitely wanna make sure that it's something that you can zipper off. That's a big thing with outdoor cushions. A lot of times they don't come with zippers and you can't really wash them very effectively. So make sure whatever cushion you get and you're going to use the cover for, that it comes with a zipper so that you can open it up, put your new insert in, and whenever it gets dirty, you can pop it back out, throw it in the washing machine. Now you got to follow the directions and make sure if it doesn't need to be dried, you don't dry it, just hang it to dry. But it's going to give you endless options for outdoor pillows and cushions when things are so limited with the outdoor ones. So you guys get out there, pay attention to the patterns that you're putting in your outdoor space and have fun with it, because your outdoor space should always look like an extension of your indoor space, and this is a way to get you there.